Question number 19. Another output type of question. So step 1. Memory should be allocated for the global variables. So this is a global variable. You need to allocate memory for L. And here you can write down the indices. Now this is another global variable. Memory can be allocated. Step 2. Execution of a Python program starts and ends at main function. So this is a starting point of main function. Here you call the function change. Control reaches the point where the function is defined. So L is passed to X. So please understand, X is pointing to list L. So X is pointing to this list. Now G should be taken as global variable G. Length of X. How many elements are there in X? 4 elements are there. So your variable N contains 4. Now range N. N is 4. Range 4. By default, 4 is taken as a second argument, and by default 0 is the first argument. So range 4 means it is actually range 0, 4. You get 0 to 3. I takes the first integer in the range 0. This is short form. The expanded form is this. I is 0. X of 0 means 5. 5 plus global G. Global G is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. That comes in X of 0. So your X of 0 becomes 9. I takes the next integer in the range. So I is equal to 1. Again, X of 1, 10. Global G is 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. That comes in X of 0. I mean I is 1. So X of 1. So your X of 1 becomes 14. I takes the next integer in the range 2. Now X of 2, 15. Global G is 4. So 15 plus 4, 19. That is assigned to X of 2. So your X of 2 becomes 19. I takes the next integer in the range, the last integer 3. X of 3, you will get 1. Global G is 4. 1 plus 4, 5. That is assigned to X of 3. So here it becomes 5. Now the function is completely executed. So control returns to the point from where it was called. When the control comes back here, local variable X does not exist. So you can cancel this. Now for I in L, each and every element of L will appear in I. So the first element 9 appears in I. So I contains 9. So here 9 will be printed. The ending character is $. So you get $9. The next element of L appear in variable I. So 14 appears in I. So here you get $14. The next element of L appear in variable I. So 19 will appear in I. So here you get $19. The last element of L, 5, appears in I. So here you get $5. So when you run this program, this is the final output.